Happy Vlogmas! Okay, you guys, so we're gonna get straight into the video. If you haven't already, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to your girl, and follow me on all social medias, and click that notification bell to go ahead and be notified every single time your girl posts, because you don't want to miss. So as you can see, I already did my eyebrows, because who wants to watch eyebrows? They're the most boring, tedious thing ever. Like, it really is. But I did go ahead and get it done. I used the Anastasia pomade and chocolate. Just go ahead and show you guys real quick. And then I used the Fenty Beauty concealer to go ahead and clean up. Today I'm going to my co-worker's ugly sweater Christmas party. I'm gonna do one green and maybe one red, and maybe kind of switch them off a little bit. So let's just jump right into the video.
On the 8th day of Christmas, my baby gave to me a pair of Chloe shades and a diamond belly ring. On the 7th day of Christmas, my baby gave to me a nice back rub, then it massaged my feet. On the 6th day of Christmas, my baby gave to me a crop jacket with dirty denim jeans. On the 5th day of Christmas, my baby gave to me the one that he wrote for me. Feeling it, feels so in love. If he only knew what he does to me, my man, my baby. Oh, it makes me feel so lovely, so sexy. I'm so in love. How I love him for his generosity. My man, my baby. Doesn't it feel like Christmas? It feels lovely. Feel like Christmas. Feels so lovely. Feel like Christmas. Oh, feels like Christmas. Doesn't it feel like Christmas? It feels lovely. Feel like Christmas. Feels so lovely. Feel like Christmas. Spirit of Christmas. Feels like Christmas. On the 4th day of Christmas, my baby gave to me a candlelit dinner just for me and my honey. On the 3rd day of Christmas, my baby gave to me a gift certificate to get my favorite CDs. On the 2nd day of Christmas, my baby gave to me the keys to a CLK Mercedes. On the 1st day of Christmas, my baby gave to me quality T.I.M.E. Feeling it, feels so good, feel so in love. If he only knew what he does to me, my man, my baby. Oh, it makes me feel so lovely, so insane. I'm so in love. How I love him for his generosity. My man, my baby. Doesn't it feel like Christmas? It feels lovely. Feel like Christmas. Feels so lovely. Feel like Christmas. Oh, feels like Christmas. Doesn't it feel like Christmas? It feels lovely. Feel like Christmas. Feels so lovely. Doesn't it feel like Christmas? Spirit of Christmas. Yes, it feels like Christmas. Doesn't it?
Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way. when you hear voices singing, let's be jolly. Let's start with boughs of holly, rocking around Christmas tree. Have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way.
So I ball so hard, motherfuckers wanna find me. But first niggas gotta find me. What's 50 grand to a motherfucker like me? Can you please remind me? Ball so hard, this shit crazy. Y'all don't know that those shit fake. The next to go, 0 for 82 when I look at you like this shit gravy. Ball so hard, this shit weird. We ain't even supposed to be here. Ball so hard since we here. It's only right that we be fair. Psycho, I'm libo to go Michael. Take your pick, Jackson, Tyson, Jordan, Game 6. Ball so hard, got a broke clock. Rollies that don't tick tock. All the Mars that's losing time. Hitting behind on this big rock. Walk ball so hard, I'm shocked too. I'm supposed to be locked up too. You escape, but I escape. You be in Paris getting fucked up. Talk ball so hard, let's get faded. Live with this for like 6 days. Gold bottles, stole models. Still an ace on my 6 game. Walk ball so hard, bitch behave. Just might let you meet yay. Shot towns, D-Rose, moving the next BK. Ball so hard, motherfuckers wanna find me. That shit crazy. That shit crazy. That shit crazy. Walk ball so hard, motherfuckers wanna find me. That shit crazy. That shit crazy. That shit crazy. She said, yeah, can we get married at the mall? I said, look, you need to crawl for your bar. Come and meet me in the bathroom style and show me why you deserve to have it all. Ball so hard. That shit crazy. That shit crazy. Ain't it Jay? Walk ball so hard. What she order? What she order? It's the lady. Walk ball so hard. Yo, it's so cold. This whole thing. Ball so hard. Act like you ever be around motherfuckers like this again. Who's your girl? Grab her hand. Fuck that bitch, she don't wanna dance. She's my friends, but I'm in France. I'm just saying, Prince Williams ain't do it right if you ask me. Cause I was him, I would've married Kate and Ashley. Was Gucci my nigga? Was Louis my killer? Was drugs my dealer? What's that jacket, Margilla? Doctors say I'm the illest, cause I'm suffering from realness. Got my niggas in Paris, and they going gorillas. Huh?
How do you know what that means? No one knows what it means, but it's provocative. It's not, it gets people going.
Ball so hard, motherfuckers wanna find me. That shit crazy. That shit crazy. That shit crazy. Walk ball so hard, motherfuckers wanna find me. That shit crazy. That shit crazy. That shit crazy. You are now watching the throne. Don't let me get in my zone. Don't let me get in my zone. Don't let me get in my zone. These other niggas is lying, acting like the summer ain't mine. I got that hot bitch in my home. You know how many hot bitches I own. Don't let me get in my zone. 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 The stars is in the building. They hands to the ceiling. I know I'm about to kill it. How you know I got that feeling? You are now watching the throne. Don't let me into my zone. Don't let me into my zone. I'm definitely in my zone.
All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. I'm gonna go ahead and do something to my hair. I have no idea what, but this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. There was glitter everywhere. Wish you guys could see my desk right now. It's crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed. You guys are gonna be able to see tomorrow's vlog, and I'll let you guys know how everything went. If you like this look, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe below, and follow me on all social medias, and click that notification bell to be notified every time Niecy posts. And I'm out, y'all. Bye.